Hello everyone and welcome to back. In this video we are going to take a closer look at Excel tabs and ribbons, how they works, help you navigate Excel more efficiently. We will also explore menus and other key interface elements that make using Excel faster and easier. At the top of your Excel window you will see a series of tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas and more. Each tab contains a ribbon which is essentially a collection of tools and commands. These commands allow you to perform different actions in Excel, and the best part, they are logically organized so you can quickly find what you need. For example, if you want to insert something like a shape, you would go to the Insert tab because that's where Excel places all insert related tools. Inside that tab, you will find commands grouped together. For instance, shape are located in the illustration group. Let's go back to the home tab for a moment. Here commands are divided into groups like clipboard, cut, copy, paste, font, text formatting, alignment, positioning text. This grouping makes navigation much easier even if you are brand new to Excel. Now, if you are unsure what a command does, Excel has a built-in helper. Simply hover your mouse over any command and you will see a screen tip. This shows the command name, a short description, and sometimes a keyboard shortcut. Another powerful feature is the right click menu, also called a contextual menu. It's called contextual because it changes depending on where you click. Right click on a command, you will see options related to the command. Right click on a cell, you will see options like copy, paste, insert, delete. So Excel updates based on what you are working on. When you right click on a cell, you will also notice a mini toolbar appearing above the menu. This gives you quick access to common formatting tools like font, size, bold, and alignment without needing to go back to the ribbon. Now take a look at the small arrow in the corner of some groups. This is called a dialog box launcher. Clicking it opens additional settings. In the font group, opens font settings. In alignment, opens alignment options. In clipboard group, opens the clipboard pane. So sometimes you get a dialog box and sometimes a side panel. If you want more space on your screen, you can collapse the ribbon. The easiest way, press Ctrl plus F1. This hides the ribbon and shows only tabs. Press it again to bring everything back. You can also control ribbon display from the top right corner. Click the ribbon display options icon and choose always show ribbon, show tabs only, full screen mode. Full screen gives you maximum workspace, perfect for large data sets. And that's it. Now you have a solid understanding of tabs, ribbons and menus in Excel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.